Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add text on Canva. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Canva app. Now you'll be up here with the home page of Canva. So now choose any picture of your choice from the home page by just tapping on that blue plus icon. So once you have selected any picture, so right there is the blue button. Again, tap on that blue button. Now in the downside you can see the option of text written there. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can select any fonts or the type of writing that you would like to add. So let's say I've written this by selecting this particular font, and once it's done you can just adjust it of your choice or adjust it on your size. You can do whatever you like, and then you can go ahead and save it. Yeah, this is how easily you can add text on Canva. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.